Here's a look through the latest charts for a significant week of weather ahead. Monday sees the easterly winds properly across the country, the very cold air having arrived. Temperatures on the higher tops, England and Wales, around -5 to -7. Similarly, -7 on the eastern Scottish Munros, towards the northwest Highlands, nearer to around -4. Now, brightest conditions are always towards the western side of the country, with many summits free of cloud, but some banks of low cloud will come into eastern regions, and some snow flurries are believable across the eastern Pennines, maybe even into the eastern side of Scotland, but essentially dry out towards the west. Now, it's Monday night into Tuesday where things start to turn more interesting, as something of a frontal system just coming in from the North Sea produces more organised, persistent, heavy snow across the eastern and northeastern side of the country, all the way from the eastern Highlands into the Cheviots, into the Pennines, North Yorkshire Moors in fact as well, and that will pass its way gradually westwards through the day, breaking up to some extent, but may well leave a covering of snow in many areas, just the far western coasts seeing perhaps very little, and leaving showers coming in from the east into the daytime. So there's the chart for Tuesday, and something of a front will be moving its way westwards, snow then affecting many areas. Showers will continue to feed their way into the eastern side of the Pennines, maybe into eastern Scotland well on into the afternoon. And those winds will be bitterly cold where exposed, temperatures dropping through the day on the higher tops in Scotland to around -10 on the Munros and to -7, -8 elsewhere on the higher tops of England and Wales. Now, it looks as though the very coldest temperatures will be through the middle part of the week, and we're talking extensively across all the hills of Britain, above 3 to 3,500 feet, temperatures close to -10. Now, add on a wind speed of up times 30 to perhaps even 40 miles per hour, and that wind chill factor is extreme. You've got the risk of snow greatest across eastern regions, heavy with possible hail, even isolated thunder coming in at times. Eastern Scotland, the eastern Pennines, maybe snow showers spreading westwards across the country elsewhere, but fewest around towards western Scotland. Thursday doesn't change a great deal. In fact, the wind could well be stronger and extensive gale force easterlies across the mountains. Those temperatures remain exceptionally low. Severe extreme wind chill factors then where exposed. The snow focused particularly on eastern Scotland, the eastern side of the Pennines, maybe a bit further south, England and Wales is somewhat drier through the day on Thursday. Fronts though towards the south are starting to nudge northwards though, which leaves complications for the end of the week, and it could give a significant heavy snowfall as this area of low pressure tries to move its way northwards, focusing on Wales, the Pennines, still showers across the eastern side of the Scottish Highlands. The West Highlands, though, somewhat drier, but it remains very, very cold. So not a week to be taking lightly. If you are intending on heading out onto the hills, make sure you're prepared for some of the very worst conditions that the British winter weather could possibly throw at you. Keep right up to date with the very latest local details in all the written files updated every single day on our website, and we'll have the full planning week ahead guidance video for you on Tuesday.